Welcome, everyone. Thank you for joining us for our ArisGlobal product update on what new enhancements are coming in our LifeSphere Safety 2023.1 release. My name is James Kelly, and I work as a product marketing manager on our safety product marketing team here at ArisGlobal. In this session, we'll be walking through the exciting new functionality coming in our LifeSphere Safety 2023.1 release and how it's set to further enhance the value our portfolio provides. For our agenda today, I'll first provide a quick introduction to Aris Global and share our overarching safety vision. We'll then get into the meat of the conversation, providing an overview of our LifeSphere Safety 2023.1 release before delving more into specific innovations and, most importantly, the value they're set to deliver for our customers. So let's get into it. For those of you not familiar with Aris Global, we're a leading provider of SaaS solutions for the life sciences industry. We offer over 30 years of innovation and deliver the industry's best end-to-end R&D platform with a strong customer base and global presence. We're trusted by over 300 industry leaders across the globe, including over 60% of the top 50 pharma, leading global health authorities, and some of the most advanced CROs. We sincerely appreciate that these organizations trust us as a valued partner to help them deliver successful outcomes and be at the cutting edge of digital transformation in life sciences. So when we talk safety at Aris Global, our vision is a commitment to provide our customers with a truly innovative safety system, a single global end-to-end platform that drives real transformation. Our vision includes providing excellence in SaaS, delivering a truly multi-tenant cloud-native platform that's scalable and resilient, delivering best-in-class production-ready automation, implementing powerful AI, ML, and NLP with a pragmatic approach for high-value impact, and then finally, leading the way in safety intelligence, delivering cutting edge innovations that empower customers to unlock deeper insights from their safety data. To achieve this vision, we've identified four primary strategic pillars for investment as we continue to evolve our LifeSphere safety platform. They include maintaining always up to date compliance with all the latest global and regional regulations, leveraging the latest technological innovations to simplify workflows and IT overhead, building a more seamlessly unified platform ecosystem in UI UX to drive time and cost savings, and enabling users to unlock deeper insights with unified data fabric and advanced analytics. The updates in our latest safety release were strategically prioritized to advance all four of these pillars, all in service of our larger safety vision. So with that all said, it's with great excitement that we are proud to announce our LifeSphere Safety 2023.1 release. LifeSphere Safety 2023.1 builds on our industry-leading value by delivering the latest technological advancements and most seamlessly unified platform ecosystem to achieve always up-to-date compliance, strategic safety insights, and optimal patient and business outcomes. This release, which will be coming imminently, marks a major leap forward in several strategic areas and only further demonstrates our commitment to ongoing innovation and real digital transformation for our customers. So at a high level, our 2023.1 release helps us deliver on our safety vision and maximize the value pharmacovigilance teams can achieve in four primary ways. Major updates include the release of our new LSMV administration application, which is set to drive more efficient, consistent compliance through a user-friendly, dedicated module through which LSMV administrators can update configuration rules as needed. Enhanced turnkey standardization, including several new standard turnkey configurations available out of the box for users to leverage across different modules without expensive upfront configurations to drive significant time and cost savings. Advancements in analytics and reporting, including reimagined ad hoc reporting capabilities, next generation UI UX, and an ever growing standard reports library to redefine how safety teams operate by putting robust safety intelligence right at the fingertips of those who need it most. And finally, enhancements focused on more seamless global compliance, including expanding regulatory support, streamlining how cases are processed, and further tightening integrations and enhancing user management. Moving forward, I'll touch on each of these areas in greater detail, including what new capabilities support each and the benefits they provide. So to start, with a commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction, one major innovation we're excited to deliver in our LifeSphere Safety 2023.1 release is the availability of our new LSMV administration application. As part of our groundbreaking initiative to enhance customer experience and efficiency through streamlined application configuration, our new LSMV admin app is set to drive greater implementation and maintenance efficiency, more consistent compliance, and a sharp reduction in configuration defects, all without needing deep technical expertise to operate. So, how is this major new feature set to drive significant value for our customers? Historically, in order to ensure consistent quality and compliance, safety teams need to frequently update their configuration rules over time. Currently, LSMV admins spend large amounts of time in library management and are forced to make these ongoing changes through Java scripting complex rules, which can result in errors, delay implementation timelines, and impact revenue recognition that leads to project costs, delays, and risks. To enable a more seamless configuration experience, we're introducing our new LSMV administration application, a user-friendly dedicated module for configuration, including UI-based click-to-configure functionality, data loader for libraries and configurations, and self-service library maintenance with export-import. This new offer will help to make configuration more simple, streamlined, and consistent. Being able to easily configure complex rules and manage library information will lead to greater implementation and maintenance efficiency, while enabling customers to drive more consistent, quality compliance throughout the project lifecycle. The benefit for customers who leverage it is significant, including a projected 30% reduction in overall project implementation timelines and a 100% reduction in scripting configuration defects, all achieved without needing deep technical expertise. This slide then goes a bit more into some of the major highlights and benefits that our new LSMV admin app provides to our customers, including enabling faster implementations, reducing the time required for application implementations to enable quicker adoption and upgrade times, increasing configuration quality, implementing standard processes and user-friendly tools to enhance the quality and consistency of configurations while minimizing potential errors, establishing a click to configure methodology with a user-friendly approach that empowers customers to adjust configurations in a way that any user can easily pick up, ensuring readiness with comprehensive testing, harness, and validation tools to help customers ensure their configurations are rigorously tested and validated before deployment, and finally, empowering third parties with an application designed to facilitate third-party configurations, foster collaboration, and allow partners to configure according to their specific needs. Our LSMV admin application is a major new addition of our LifeSphere Safety 2023.1 release, and is one we're excited for our customers to start benefiting from. So moving on, another major innovation we're excited to deliver in our LifeSphere Safety 2023.1 release is enhanced turnkey standardization for LSMV, which makes several new out-of-the-box configurations available for users to leverage. This is another significant enhancement for our customers, which is set to drive major time and cost savings during implementation and upgrade cycles, including reducing project implementation timelines and costs significantly by simplifying implementations and avoiding extensive customizations. So let's get into why this is another major addition for LSMV customers and prospects. Historically, when implementing LSMV, there are over 5,000 configurations that need to be selectively enabled and disabled based on each given customer's needs. Depending on how these are managed, these configurations and customizations in individual projects can cause significant delays in implementation timelines, while making upgrades more challenging and time consuming as well. To circumvent these hurdles and ensure users can configure their projects and conduct upgrades faster and easier, we're now offering several new standardized out-of-the-box configurations across several different modules for streamlined configurations without extensive upfront work needed. These key standardizations at a project level will result in reduced costs, development effort, and timelines for implementation. It'll also make upgrades faster and easier and less effort intensive by reducing the need to reconcile and validate differences with standard configurations during upgrades. And in terms of value, the benefits are significant. Our new out-of-the-box configurations are currently projected to reduce implementation times by at least 2 to 3 months for larger projects and 2 to 3 weeks for smaller ones, while reducing overall time and costs for both ArisGlobal and customers. And then for reference, listed on this slide are key configuration areas that have received enhanced out-of-the-box configurations, including alerts, schedulers, and workflows, application and report parameters, auto narrative generation and roles, conditional default and default data roles, distribution attributes, distribution contacts, and validations. This enhanced turnkey standardization is a major new feature coming in our LifeSphere Safety 2023.1 release, and one we're excited for our customers to leverage ahead. So, another major update we're excited to announce are the advancements we've made in our LifeSphere reporting and analytics solution, focused on achieving next generation safety reporting and analytics. These innovations include reimagined ad hoc reporting capabilities, next generation UI UX, and an ever growing standard reports library, and are set to redefine how safety teams operate by putting robust safety intelligence at the fingertips of those who need it most. These enhancements to our LifeSphere reporting and analytics solution are set to significantly increase productivity through workflow and user interface updates, reduce time to insight with expanded flexible reporting capabilities, and empower users to self-service actionable intelligence from their safety data, even without prior technical expertise. Listed on this slide are a couple of the big key enhancements coming to LSRA in our LifeSphere Safety 2023.1 release, including reimagined ad hoc reporting capabilities that enable users to build custom-tailored reports to self-service the insights they need in real time, next generation UI UX enhancements to ensure users maximize productivity and unlock insights faster, and new additions to our ever-growing standard reports library to help users enable more proactive to help users more proactively manage compliance. So first, I want to draw attention to our reimagined ad hoc reporting capabilities being introduced in our LSRA 2023.1 release. Users will be able to rapidly build custom-tailored ad hoc reports from scratch or based on existing templates using our robust template library functionality, enabling users to self-service the insights they need in real time to proactively respond to requests for information and business challenges as they arise. For example, let's say a user needs to generate a report to respond to a request for information, like providing a one-time external facing report to a regulatory agency, a list of cases of interest for safety scientists, or field a cross-domain inquiry like sending a clinical team AE data to inform an upcoming study. Users that rely on manual workflows to do so often waste time and effort trying to assemble this information if they can't create reports easily. But with our new enhancements in LSRA, we're helping users streamline this ad hoc reporting by offering an easy to use query builder that supports a wide array of customizable parameters, in addition to a template library that enables them to combine multiple reusable templates for further accelerated custom report creation. Ultimately, all of this helps makes reporting faster and easier for users while reducing the cost and complexity of needing to maintain third-party BI tools. Second, I want to draw attention to the next generation UI UX being introduced. Developed based on feedback from our users, our next gen user interface is set to offer customers a more seamless experience by streamlining and automating key workflows, providing tailored experiences based on specific needs, and enabling faster time to insight with intuitive case reporting and analytics capabilities. Even the most robust BI tool can be ineffective if users are unable to quickly and easily extract the insights they need. Self-servicing safety insights is critical. Instead of a few select power users solely being able to access safety insights, intuitive and easy to pick up tools enable users without extensive BI or SQL experience to hop right in and get what they need, while the power users that would have been bottlenecked helping them can now reinvest their time in more value adding safety activities. And to achieve all this, our UI UX enhancements focus on a couple key areas. First, we're making LSRA easier to use, making key features and functionality simple for users to find without deep experience or tedious searches. Second, we're investing in a more streamlined, intuitive navigation that eliminates clutter, highlights priority information in each view, and simplifies more complex workflows. Third, to streamline things even further, we're focusing on building out a smart, role-based user interface that provides a tailored experience for users based on their specific needs and roles for a more personalized experience overall. And then finally, we're introducing built-in automation around key reporting workflows. including scheduling and distribution, prioritizing notifications, and managing calendars and tasks to keep users focused on value adding work rather than wasting time caught up in tedious manual workflows. Customers will be able to trial this new user experience and provide feedback in this 2023.1 release, with the UI UX to be implemented in production at a later date. And then finally, we're continuing to add to ever-growing extensive report library LSRA offers, expanding reporting flexibility by giving teams access to an unmatched library of reusable global and local standard reports and dashboards. Based on common reports our users are building, we have included new standard reports that can be utilized to help in managing vendor productivity, compliance and follow-up tracking, case reconciliation, and more to help our customers drive faster insights and more proactive compliance management. Listed on this slide are the standard regulatory reports covered under LSRA. I'm not going to walk through each individual one, but as you can see, we provide extensive support for US periodic reports, PERBR and DSUR reports, Japanese reports, and other regulatory reports. As a continuation of the prior slide, we also provide support for standard non-regulatory reports, including compliance tracking reports, distribution reports, management reports, and audit and inspection support reports. Together, all the enhancements mentioned are set to help our customers achieve next generation reporting and analytics through LSRA, and our major new features coming in our LifeSphere Safety 2023.1 release we're excited to share. And then finally, in our ongoing commitment to providing the most seamless, comprehensive global compliance, we've made a number of updates that make it easier for safety teams to keep up with the latest regulatory requirements and cost efficiently process rising case volumes. These enhancements are these enhancements are set to help safety customers ensure more total compliance with expanded support for global and regional regulations, increase productivity through streamlining key case processing workflows, and save time and effort by promoting a more seamless cross-domain flow of information and enhanced user management. These enhancements include the following updates to LSMV. First, we're expanding our global and regional regulatory support available, including updates to accommodate newly introduced regulations and to comply more efficiently with existing ones. Second, we're accelerating case processing, including the ability to view source and supporting documents throughout various stages of the workflow when reviewing adverse event reports. Third, we're tightening the integration between safety and MI, including new web service APIs that automate exporting adverse event information to LSMV. And finally, we're advancing user management with enhanced access controls, including privileged transaction access for case listings and simplified multi-sponsor management for CROs. Getting into our regulatory enhancements first, our LSMV 2023.1 release builds on our commitment to comprehensive up-to-date compliance through expanded regulatory support. First, we've updated LSMV to reflect ISO country code list updates, including updates to the Turkey and Northern Ireland codes, so MAHs can maintain up-to-date global compliance in these regions. Second, MAHs and authorities often send XML files in the form of zip folders, and now LSMV can automatically unzip these folders and extract all XML files, which ensures a smoother and more efficient process for global case creations. Next, in the US, the FDA recently made updates to their MedWatch 3500A form, and we've made corresponding updates to reflect new sections and logic changes added to ensure continued top quality US regulatory compliance. In South Korea, we've made enhancements to our existing bulk import feature in LSMV to support the intake of the ASCII file format of downloads from the MFDS site for faster and easier South Korean regulatory compliance. And then finally, in Mexico, we've recently made enhancements to support new guidelines for submission of WHO DDMPIDs for the ICSRs recently published by the Mexican Authority, by the Mexican Health Authority to ensure up-to-date Mexican regulatory compliance. Next, we've made several updates to LSMV that make it faster and easier to process adverse event reports by making supporting documentation more readily available across key case processing review workflows. Key updates include the ability to view source and supporting documents when comparing selected cases, so safety officers and other reviewers can readily compare cases. When reviewing duplicate search results to make it easier for reviewers to view case documents for any missing information in duplicate cases. When doing follow-up processing, so safety officers can easily view key supporting documents while performing case reconciliation. And finally, when in follow-up notification alerts to more easily take appropriate actions on follow-up notifications. Next, for greater safety and medical affairs interoperability, we're now introducing tighter integration between our LSMV and LSMI solutions through web services. Medical information teams capture adverse event information using multiple channels, which then need to be sent to the safety team with all supporting information. The manual workflows they currently rely on to do so, however, can be time consuming and make it difficult to ensure safety and medical affairs data alignment. Now we're offering a new web service API that enables medical information teams to automate the exportation of adverse event information to LSMV, along with pertinent documents related to adverse events, reconciliation, and follow-ups. This enables a more seamless flow of adverse event information between LSMI to LSMV using our web service API integration to push adverse event related information seamlessly and reconcile back synchronously, while avoiding error-prone and tedious manual reconciliation workflows. All of this ultimately helps bridge your safety and medical affairs systems, reducing the burden of reconciliation and improving safety compliance. Additionally, we're the only provider that offers this kind of integration. Another major update we've made is our enhancements to privileged transaction access for case listings. Local drug safety officers often want to see cases as per the transaction access in their assigned role, while being restricted from viewing or editing cases they're not responsible for. This includes permissions on case series, case task listings, bulk imports, compliance trackers, E2B message queues, and email intake message queues. Now, LSMV has been enhanced to apply transaction access while displaying specific cases based on a user's given permissions. This means privileged users with transaction access, for example by company unit, products, study, and seriousness, will be allowed to view and edit cases they're assigned, while not seeing ones not assigned to them. This increases efficiency by letting them focus on relevant cases and mitigates potential data privacy risk by not showing them cases outside of their permissions. And then finally, one more notable update we've made specific to our CRO clients are enhancements to simplify multi-sponsor management. Currently, CRO users can be associated with different sponsors, but the user would have to be associated with common roles, and the user cannot be associated with different roles per sponsor. This makes it difficult to work between sponsor accounts while maintaining proper user configurations for each. We're now offering simplified multi-sponsor management through our CRO model, where CRO users with multiple sponsor access can now have multiple roles. By enabling CRO users to be associated with multiple roles at each sponsor level, that user can perform the activities associated with a given sponsor when working on that specific sponsor. These enhancements enable our CRO customers to more easily and efficiently work among sponsor accounts in a managed way to save time and mitigate any potential issues. And with that, we've reached the end of our presentation. If you had any questions during any portion of the presentation, reach out to your respective ArisGlobal account manager, and they'll be happy to help answer your inquiries and provide additional information. I just want to say thanks so much to everyone for tuning in, and we're looking forward to introducing LifeSphere Safety 2023.1 ahead and seeing the benefits our customers like you are able to achieve through the new features arriving in this major exciting release. Thanks so much.